Everyone. So today this video is regarding what is Python string. So earlier I explained the Python typecasting and Python casting. So if you are not watched that video, please go there and watch it. And I am now going to explain what is a Python string. So Python string is immutable data type. So immutable means you cannot add, you cannot remove any type of element from the string. Suppose I am just declaring a variable name A and A contains Nikhil data value. So when I'll print A and just run, you will find Nikhil. So when I want to remove I from this position or any uh, I want to add L after any character, so I cannot do any letter I cannot do because of string is immutable data type. So Python defines data type mutable and immutable data types. So string you can just define with single quotation or double quotation marks. So you can also use single quotation mark for define this. So when you will just run this, it will work. So how you'll find this is the string or any type of data type. So Python built-in type function provide where you can find out data type. So everything in Python is a object. So when you'll just type of variable A contains of Nikhil string. So when I'll just print it is it's called class string. So type function will provide the typecasting of any variable where we declare any data type of element. So now you will understood. So how you will just iterate using the for loop with the use with string. So upcoming video I'll explain the for loop. So light way I'm just going to explain you how it's work. So you can use the for loop to iterate every each of element of this string. So for I in a semicolon print semicolon means this code will end with this. It is not for every code when you are writing in the Python, but for loop if or else any condition you have to just put semicolon to indicate that it is work for till here. So when I print I, so and run this, you will find it iterates Nikhil. So Nikhil, why it iterates? Because of n defines zero index. I am defining the index u 0. I define 1. Then this k define 2. H define 3. I define again 4. And L define 5. So now you will see a string will support duplicate data because of I two times because of this index position, because this I position is one index, this I position is fourth index. So that's why it's not throwing error of duplicacy like a list or a tuple. So when I extract data with indexes, so I need to print a square bracket you need to put if you want to put the k. So k we define index number 2. So we need to put here 2 and then run again. It is output comes k. If you want just put L, L defined it index is 5. So 5 you can just put, you can put. So I am going to also explain what is a slicing of uh, this string. So slice work like slicing work with you want to extract the data with range. Suppose this is the string and you want to extract the data from I to entire data. So I position is 1. You need to put semicolon and then nothing you have to put. It goes up to entire string. So when I'll put 1, so it will come like this. If you want to extract the data from k to I, so k define 2 position, index position, I define 4th position, but we need to put 5 because of it goes up to 4. 5 it will exclude. How it's work? You can just check like KHI. So it comes with K position is index 2 and it goes up to 5 and 5 will exclude from this. So it go 2 SK, then 3 H, then I 4 and then 5L. So 5 will include, so it will be KHI. It will come. So when you will just put negative index, so negative index come with here like -1, -2, here -3, then -4, then -5, then -6. So now if you want to extract the data from forward back position, so suppose I want to extract the data from L to K. So we need to K defined is K defined K defined -4. So we need to put -4. Again, we need to K entire L. So we need to just you will just find it's gave the output of reverse mode. So when you will just reverse mode, so index will start from -1. So that's why if I want to extract the data from uh, K to I, so K to I, we need to I position is 2. So we need to just put -1 for this. So it goes -4, -3, -1 comes with L. So it gives the I because of L will exclude. As I explained, it will comes with -4 with K, -3 with H, -2 with I, and -1 with L. So it will exclude -1. It goes up to I. So this is a negative indexing concept of any string. I'm explaining very simple way. You will not get confused. So what is a multi-line string? So I am just going to explain you what is a multi-line string. Suppose if I'll print here my name is Nikhil and my age is 30. When I'll put print, you will see it will print very easily and it did not give us error. So when I'll just put down it and just you will see here it will throw error because of multi-line string we did not define, like unterminated string literals. So that's why we need to define multi-line string. It's 3 times of quotation, single quotation mark. We need to define it. When I'll just run this, you will see it's working very fine. It's working very fine. So now you can just define double quotation mark also here, because string you can, Python string you can define single or double quotation mark. It will fine. It will up to you, like what you need to define single or double. So it's working fine. So now I'm explaining you in keyword. Suppose I am defining a string name. My name is Nikhil. My name is and age is 30. My age is 30. It's printing well. So now I need to find out, like, is is in a variable. So in will find out this is exist of this above string or not. So when I'll run this, it will give our boolean value true or false. Suppose I am just using if condition. With the using of if condition, you can also if is in a, then I explained you why we use semicolon in few minutes back. So if is in a variable, so is in a, so whatever need to print, you need to just print yes, this is correct manner. So when I'll print it, yes, this is correct manner. Otherwise, we can define the else condition. If the string is not present, print no. This is not correct manner. When I just, it will give the output of a yes, because of is present in this. So I am just taking any other example. Okay is present in this is above string, then I'll put, it will throw error because of it goes up a condition, else condition, no, this is not the correct manner. So what Python does, Python is a interpreter language. It will generate the output one by one. So first it will come the first line, line number one, then it will uh, go two is not anything, so it will go line number three, then it will find the condition is not true, so it will come with else position. So else we have printed no, this is not correct manner, so that's why it printed no, this is not correct manner. So I hope this video you understood. If you have any doubt or problem, you can just make a comment in comment below, section below, so I'll just give the answer. So next string video will come very soon, so stay tuned. Happy learning.